Hello, good morning. So, as we seen last day, the threat of Omicron strain is looming over the world. So the news has mostly been on that one in today's paper. So in today's news commentary, we'll be looking at all those things. I think it's a lighter day today. We have much less articles to read. So let's go. So as usual, WHO multiple times we have discussed that. So if you haven't read that, please do read that. Right. Though then certain comments were made by CGI in Vitamana that hold significance you can use in your polity answers. For example, legislature does not conduct studies or assess the impact of the laws that passes. That sometimes leads to big issues. Such comments, നമുക്കതൊന്ന് ജസ്റ്റ് ഒന്ന് സിംപ്ലിഫൈ ചെയ്ത് നമ്മുടേതായ വേർഡ്സിൽ പ്രസൻറ്റ് ചെയ്യാം in a just crisp way. It gives like a dimensions. Like it can be used in what judicial pendency use ചെയ്യാം, അല്ലെങ്കിൽ പാർലമെൻറ്റ് റിലേറ്റഡ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻസ് ഉണ്ടെങ്കിലും നമുക്ക് യൂസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറ്റും. സോ in the inside inside cover പേജസിനകത്തും നമുക്ക് ഈ ആർട്ടിക്കിളിൻ്റെ കണ്ടിന്യൂവേഷൻ ഉണ്ട്. We will see that. Here. Okay. All right. Now, Jaitapur nuclear plant. So, where is Jaitapur nuclear plant located? Please read that. India, it is constructed with collaboration with France. So, that must be remembered. Now, with respect to nuclear plants, we have to map the list of nuclear plants in India. നമുക്ക് 6-7 പ്ലാൻസുകളുണ്ട്. പ്രിലിംസ് സ്പെസിഫിക്കലി ഇമ്പോർട്ടൻ്റ് ആണ്. സോ പ്ലീസ് ഡു ദാറ്റ്. നമ്മുടെ കുടംകുളം തൊട്ടിട്ട് മുകളിൽ കോട്ട വരെയുള്ള ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് അല്ലെങ്കിൽ നറോറ വരെയുള്ള ഡിഫറെൻറ്റ് ന്യൂക്ലിയർ പ്ലാന്റ്സ് ആർ ദെയർ. പ്ലീസ് ഗോ ത്രൂ ദം. Mostly regional news. So there has been a financial crackdown on cyber-related offences and related financial improprieties. Though, look at Interpol and look at this operation that is known as Haichi. I think I'm pronouncing it accurately. Haichi 2. So, prelims perspective again could be important for prelims. Then you can obviously look at the issue of quota. We had discussed this, right? Reservations in private sector. So look into that policy, like why it is like not feasible. We had discussed that. What are the issue with that? We had discussed that. So a couple of observations are made. Even observations like they want to create discourse that locals are not getting job because of outsiders. But where are the jobs? So the issue in India is joblessness and lack of generation of enough jobs in the economy. So for that you cannot use these kind of hackathons and make a solution. It will be just leading to conflict and disputes between states and different parts of the country. But rather we have to focus on job creation. So just a small article, you can maybe read that, like how India is like going about this is border management topic. So the measures that we are adopting for effective border management, you can look into that. But you don't have to read so much of into it, waste time, because it's a routine news. Just pick the idea from the heading or the first few paragraphs itself. Judges should maintain a discretion. The continuation of the first article that we have seen, so you can slowly go through them. Again, as the highlighted portions, these are like good points that has been made by the CGI and the president. Go through them. Now, India US UK free trade agreement, and a couple of things are there. Comprehensive free trade agreement could be delayed, so that is issue. One thing you can focus is that early harvest agreement. What is an early harvest agreement? You have to look into it. See how a question could be in this way, like early harvest agreement was recently in news in the context of UPSC asks questions like that. So UPSC can say with respect to trade free trade agreement, allow trade negotiations, or you can say agricultural harvesting or some other thing like that. So then you have to identify what that is, but that's a easier one. If I point towards a more difficult question, it would be like early harvest agreement in a meaning and in trade policy, those kind of things. So nothing beyond that. That's difficult. So see what early harvest agreements are. Then we have a news on Maoist movement. So as we said earlier, Maoism or Naxalism, we have to prepare that topic in detail. What is Maoism and where is it mostly seen in India, or the threat is faced? Why? What has led to the creation of such a movement? What is the impact of Maoist movement? Positives, no positives, like negative impacts, developmental wise, social justice wise. Sorry about the positive comment there. Measures adopted till now by the government. Various measures have been adopted, various success models are there. Read through that and what can be done about it now. The article also gives into the current status of some of these problems, like the officer is saying that it is restricted to few of these areas, and even it's emanating from Chhattisgarh mostly in the central Indian part. That's what the article is saying. Please go through that. Now we have to know what is genome sequencing. It's from prelims perspective. See what genome sequencing is. Another issue that we have to look at is TRIPS waiver. So WTO, it's a topic under WTO. TRIPS waiver is a controversial issue between developed world, developed vs developing countries. Okay, so what is TRIPS waiver? You have to understand it's related to intellectual property rights. So try to understand that when you're reading newspaper. Go for some extra reading. So we'll try to provide that in the daily brief. Jaffna, where do you find Jaffna? It's in Sri Lanka. That's it, that location. Put it into your map list. Then these two articles, I don't think it's specifically that important because it's a little too much science and technology. Okay, so we'll go past that. Mental illness, we'll go past that too. This article was a little bit most hotly debated question in 2017 prelims when UPSC asked if the remnants of horses were found in Harappa or not. Like it was a two statement question, so we had to pick that one. So just out of curiosity I had underlined it, but besides that it is a കുറേ ഡീറ്റെയിലേക്ക് പോയിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു ആർട്ടിക്കിളാണ് about DNA studies of the bones that are found there. So I don't think that's very much particularly important as far as ancient India is concerned, but then just read that for at least for fun. MSP, we have been hearing a lot about MSP. We have been putting brief in the channel, and also we have given a couple of MCQs. Now the importance of MSP still remains. We have to basically see that, and again an article is there. Consider this to be a revision. So if you have already read the daily brief in our channel, you would be thorough with MSPs, but then a couple of extra points here and there will be there, so you can read that article. So it will also help you to revise and make it thorough. EWS criteria, go through it. Basic details are given, although I don't think it will be of much significance in mains. Chances are very less for such a question to be asked, but still you have to be aware of whatever is happening around you. So you cannot say like if UPSC asks a question like this was not expected to come, അങ്ങനെ പറയാൻ പറ്റത്തില്ല. Data protection bill, how safeguards on privacy question. So this again, as I said, once the bill comes in, it is important for us, we will follow. But as for this means, as for now, what is important is the data protection, the idea of data protection, especially personal data protection. So we will go with the ideas that what is data protection, why important, threat to data security, especially in a developing country like India, implications of this threat, and what can be done about it way forward. This much of things is not there in this article. This article is specifically about the bill. We will deal with that bill once it is tabled or once it is passed, but before that, just go through the article. Now this article is good one. India and US resolve, how India and US resolved to decided to resolve tariff and visa issues. Yeah, so it usually we have what the congruence of interest and the strengths of India-US relationship. That's what we hear mostly, but here a different take is given, whereby the issues and irritants of India-US relationship is given. So we had, 1 week before something, നമ്മളൊരു article editorially വായിച്ചായിരുന്നു, so which one talked about the Harley Davidson issue, the different GSP, generalized system of preference issue, etc. So now we can read this one, get more points like what are the major issues, reception of trade talk significance, why is that, so things like that. We had also discussed India-US trade forum, right? So you can use all those information here, club it together into your note. Manipur, PLA, so that militancy is back, just read this, gives you a basic understanding of what the issue is. Then we can read about commercial disputes. There is something called alternate dispute redressal, which is a solution to judicial or conflicts that is provided outside the traditional judiciary. So traditional judiciary works the way we know, like Supreme Court is there, High Court is there, then the subordinate courts are there. So it will take some time to go through all the process, and the sheer number of disputes also slows down the important issues that the court is looking into. So commercial dispute is one of such, like Korea disputes, it will take so much time for judiciary to solve that. So there is an alternative mechanism to that. Several alternative mechanisms are there, so they are together known as ADR. Now commercial disputes arbitration, conciliation, so look into all those things, like what are the ADR mechanism available in the case of commercial disputes. That's what we have to look at today. Yeah, that's the news we have on today's newspaper. Again, as I said, it's a lighter day. Day of Diwali, what is that? And the location is celebrated in Varanasi. So that much you can see. Yeah, so as I said, always Sundays are a day for reflection and review of preparation. Please do that. Step up the game. It's high time that you step up the game and improve your performance. All right. Have a good day.